Mr. Onka.
Yeah.
How long have you been here? You own the business for how long?
1986.
Since 1996.
86.
86. Wow, this is 30 years already. More than that.
Yes, before 1982.
Yeah.
Start that room.
Yeah.
1986, I came this room. Move.
Okay.
Move.
1986. Almost.
No, 86.
Yeah, I know. Almost 40 years.
Yes.
In
yes.
fact, in 4 years, it's 40 years
Yeah.
already. You know, it's really funny. I saw this thing. It's like
Yeah.
a Pinocchio. Do you remember the Pinocchio? Yeah.
Yes, right.
Oh, I like that. It's bring me the old story. Oh, so cute. I love this. Do you have very expensive watch here?
514
497
497 7873.
Correct.
1 2 3 4.
Yeah, but now I think this you can give me now. Yeah.
No,
No?
that's why I marked.
Oh, but it only changed the battery. No.
I cannot do it right away.
Okay.
4 watches, and this one is later. I first ask your customer, after bring to me.
Okay.
4 watches. 1.
Yeah, but
2,
can you
3,
tell
4.
him what happened? Yeah. Yeah, because I don't know how to explain to him this one. No, this one is to this one is battery. This one is to adjust the, this one is loose. You cannot do it.
Adjusted what?
You cannot close it very firmly.
Okay, watch working?
No, the watch.
Doesn't work.
I think this is the
10:30 now.
mechanic, right? Still, I don't know. Is
No,
it?
this is battery watch 10:30.
Okay. So change the
First-
battery and fix the clip.
First, you need battery.
And fix the clip.
Guy Laroche.
One, two, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5 we have?
No, this one is later. You will say okay or not. 1 battery and
Yeah, of course it's okay. Why is not okay?
fixed. Fair
1,
more.
2,
Fixed
3.
fair more.
So totally is 5. Right?
Okay, 5. If you leave it here.
Yeah, 5.
Yes, this one is not repairable anymore because they repair someone.
Eh.
But no, not good. You need new firmware. With the battery, $25, madam. New firmware and new battery.
You can find the firmware, right? What is mean firmware?
Not right away, but if you can leave it here, I will.
Of course.
I will find it.
Of course, but it look similar. It look exactly the same.
Same, madam. Not different. Different, no good. Doesn't fit.
Yeah, but how can you find the same brand?
Same, madam.
Same. No, I'm not worried. I just curious.
But no name here.
I just curious. Yeah.
No name.
No name. No name.
No name. Yeah. Okay.
No name.
This
Oh, you
one-
mean the mark, the kilo?
Mark, no mark, madam.
Okay. Okay.
This one is okay. La Roche.
Yeah. I want you to explain this. What happened to this one? Oh, I should take another. Yeah.